Outsourcing should save time. So, why does it sometimes feel the opposite? Communication breakdowns, missed deadlines, work that doesn't meet the mark. Sound familiar? The most common outsourcing frustrations all trace back to the same root causes: language and cultural misalignment slowing things down, outdated vendor technology creating security risks, no quality control process, communication gaps leaving both sides guessing, vendors overpromising and underdelivering. But here's the good news. These are all preventable. Set clear expectations and SLAs before you sign anything. Vet vendors thoroughly. Ask for real case studies and testimonials. Build in regular check-ins, quality reviews, and measurable KPIs. Make sure your provider's tech infrastructure is secure and up to date. And watch for red flags early. Vague answers and no structured onboarding are warning signs. The right outsourcing partner doesn't add to your problems, they solve them. At QX Accounting Services, we bring structured workflows